Hello, everyone. We're going to be doing supply and demand to find an equilibrium. We're going to be doing an example today. Yeah, let's get started. So we start with the example step by step. We're going to suppose the demand function for tons of ochre and Waltham is QD as a function of P is equal to 40 minus 2P. And the supply function is QS, quantity supplied, as a function of price, is equal to 19 plus P. What is the equilibrium supply and demand? To solve for this, we're going to set the two equations equal to each other, and then we're going to solve for the equilibrium price, then plug that price into either function to get the quantity. Step 1, QD is equal to QS. We're going to set the two functions to be equal to each other, quantity demanded and quantity supplied. So quantity demanded is equal to 40 minus 2P, quantity supplied 19 plus P. So that would become, down here, 40 minus 2P, 19 plus P, or QD is equal to QS. Now we're just going to do regular algebra, grouping the variables on one side of the equation and the constants, or the numbers, on the other. So 40 minus 2p equal to 19 plus p becomes 40 minus 19, because the 19 becomes negative when you flip it, is equal to p plus 2p, because the negative 2p becomes positive 2p when you flip it. Step 3, we're going to solve. More algebra. First, we're going to simplify each side. So 40 minus 19 becomes 21, p plus 2p becomes 3p. Then we divide by the constant, or the number in front of our variable p. It's 21 divided by 3, and 3p divided by 3. So this would become 7 is equal to p. Boom, equilibrium price found. We now plug in the equilibrium p price into our quantity supplied and quantity demanded function to get the equilibrium q. In our example, p is equal to 7, just a little reminder. So I'll show for both QD and QS. You don't have to, but it does guarantee that you get the right answer, because if your QD needs to match your QS, and you get the point. You get me. So QD is equal to 40 minus 2p. So that becomes QP is equal to 40 minus 2 times 7. So that's 40 minus 14. So QD is equal to 26. QS is 19 plus p. So that becomes 19 plus 7, so that's equal to 26. Now, we can see our equilibrium quantity is 26 units with a price of 7. Thank you. Hope you learned something. Have a great day.